I am Davide, or as some of you call me already, Vloggerino, from the hashtag, from these videos that you see on the Camino. Now, some of you already got an idea of this channel, but I really wanted to explain it to you. What is this channel about and what is the philosophy behind it? This channel is not about real-time updates from the road or quick travel tips. Let me put that straight. This channel is about walking slowly and with intention. It's about feeling the road before filming it with a camera. And then, once the place has settled inside me, I share it with you. Yes, I walk the Camino, I've been on Hospitalero, and yes, I will publish content from other places as well in the world. But there is something common in all these topics. The fact that before I share something with you, I let it internalize it and become part of me. These videos that you see on the channel sometimes will come months or even weeks after the content has been done. And that's totally fine. Because I believe that when we stop rushing and start walking with intention, something special happens. And therefore, if you're looking for viral trends, if you're looking for the typical 10 things to do, quick travel tips, this is not going to be your channel. But if you're looking for authenticity, if you're looking for slow travel, then I think you found your own path. So join me.